quarterfinal number 2 EAS Conference B team based out of Colorado. It's going to be your visiting team. Quarterfinal number 2, top of the first inning, EAS, the visiting team, Brian Atchison, the first baseman. Played with Classic Class a year ago. It's going to lead things off. Trenant, third baseman, can't come up with it. 78 degrees of game time here at the Hogan Park baseball field. Unlimited homers. Atchison, after the foul ball, hits a deep right. Sun in the eyes, but the Trenant right fielder with the catch. 30 down the lines, 370 to the gaps, and it's either 375 or 395 to center, depending where you're at. Jones on the dish for the conference umpires. Josh Talon at the plate, little sun to shadow with the pitches. Deep right, it's got a chance, about 335 right there, and it's gone. Josh Talon gets EAS on the board. Winner gets Classic Glass next. 3 hitters, Westy Gill, once played with laser vision, and they finished second at the major. Westy Gill with a triple. Gill on third. Justin Charles, the shortstop, flicks it in the left. And an RBI single. It's 2-0. Sean Robeson pops it up. Middleman turns and runs. Can't come up with it. Cabrera to center field. It's out number 2. Eric Salianardo walks. Last pitch to Andres Garces with the bases loaded here in the first. Deep right, playable, and caught. Mo Jet, first pitch swinging a base hit for Trenant here in the bottom of the first. Ball falls in. Tanner Westmoreland, the pitcher. Josh Talon, the catcher. And Robinson crushes one out of here. 3-run homer and the lead. Trenant up 3-2, bottom of the first. Yeah, he's going to slice it in there. Catcher Del Houston or something like that. And a double. Westy Gill out there in center, tracks it down. Danny Bettis, I believe, right to the 370 mark, flies out. All right, top of the second, 3-2, Trenant leads EAS. Cody Posio, the leadoff hitter in the inning. Posio, deep right field. And it's up against the fence for a single. Cody was actually pulled a muscle. It's going to be Joe Lewis in that spot in the lineup. Tanner Westmoreland to right center, base hit. Marcus Pisano pops it up. Jose Ventura, the veteran pitcher here for Trenant. Atchison pops it up, sun in the eyes, and the catch is made. Over the right fielder, Josh Talon's got most of the EAS RBIs. Throw to the plate, and he is out. With the assist on the relay throw to end the inning, the game is tied at 3. Thurl pops it up. Whoops. caught. Well, they're the Bettis brothers.
What's the good one?
Yeah, ground rule double. And a foul out. Top of the third, tied at 3. Rusty Gill lead things off with a beautiful shot. One hops the 395. Got himself a triple. Justin Charles pops it up. Sacrifice fly there by Robeson makes it 4-3. Ventura sets the defense against Cabrera. Cabrera, if it's fair, it's extra bases.
And Jose goes, you know what, man? You're a loser. You're a loser, man. And I was like, well, that dude just gave you a dad voice and called you a loser. You're a loser, man. You're a loser.
So Leonardo to left center.
Rotated.
More extra base hits using the Dudley Stadium ZN ball.
I want Mark to sign his.
Throw it away. Garces is safe. Run's going to score. That's Leonardo. Joe Lewis, who came on for the injured Posio, lines out to right. Shadow's definitely messing with the video now as the sun goes down here in Seattle, Washington. Duel number 2. Semi-final. Mo Jett, the leadoff hitter for Trenant here in the bottom of the third. Down 6-3. Bouncer to the third baseman. And he's out. A lot of miss hits in this game. And a lot of them are falling in. It's going to be a base hit. Chris Abbott with a base hit to right. Robinson, who had the big 3-run homer in the first to account for all of the Trenant runs. Pops out to left center. Chase Duchesne swinging a low pitch. Pitcher covering. Westmoreland beats the runner. It's going to remain 6-3 EAS. We go to the top of the fourth.
Yeah, Marcus!
Sano with the turns over the lineup.
There's nothing as high percentage.
Who wants to watch me say Central Cooper?
All right, we're quickly to the bottom of the fourth. Trenant in the pink, down 6-3. After taking a 3-2 lead in the first. Trenant Hud with a base hit to lead off the bottom of the fourth, down 6-3. Bouncer to third. So Leonardo with the turn, safe at first. They get the force. Second baseman gets the forced. Base hit by one of the Bettis brothers.
That's an error. Well, actually, Richie came in and that's how bad it was.
Trenant and the Pink led 3-2. They're the home team. Now it's 7-3. They put up 3 straight zeros. We're now in the bottom of the 5th. EAS scratched across a sac fly in the top of the 5th. That one's well hit, but caught about the 360 mark. Trenant, also sponsored by Clutch and was it BNS or something like that. Hit the walk by the leadoff hitter, Webb or Jet. Chris Abbott with 2 on, down 7-3. Deep right and caught. Runners are going to advance. And they may be walking Dylan Robinson here. And they did the old 2 balls and a strike. Now it's got to be fair. That's flat and he walks them loaded. Duchesne, the batter, with the bases loaded. Duchesne, second baseman, gets the out on the catch, actually. 7-3, we go to the top of the 6th. So Leonardo with a solo homer, I believe that is.
Good swing, Dre.
Hey.
Out.
Yeah, I asked him before the game. I said, "Where do you want it?" I want to see like 450. And he delivered. It's 4 times.
Good job, Tanner!
I missed the swing. I'll fly out to the left.
That's an intentional slap. He chopped.
Full swing, Red.
3 for 5 right now.
Hard middle shot by Talon's going to score their 10th run.
That boy, Josh.
EAS of 10-3.
That's what I said. Thanks, buddy. This is a real good dog. He's good at his job.
Go to the bottom of the 6th. Trenant has not scored since the 1st, down 12-3. Danny Bettis, if I'm saying that right, triples into the right field corner. Middleman, Leonardo. Oh, couldn't scoop. Trenant's got a pinch hitter. They're playing him on the line. I believe it's fair. It's going to be a single. 12-4, bottom of 6. Shortstop knocks it down, gets the force.
Go ahead.
Let's go, come on. Locked in.
Both games we lost, I didn't start. Johnny. Come on,
Well, has
Steve.
some extra bases. Top of the 7th, 12-4 EAS. Same spot, double.
He clearly doesn't want to.
Ooh, off the middleman's glove.
Good swing, Dre.
Oh, Joe Lewis.
First home run.
Gone.
about time the show field puts on a show.
So we got the post on.
7.
You got a 15-foot. You argue with him all to the next pick 6 hole.
Got it past the third baseman.
Madness. We didn't have a 5 and we had 9 players, remember? And you let off kind of up the middle.
Oh, Talon with another shot into the corner. Ricochets. Gonna be an RBI triple. PAS finishes off Trenant.
The weekend you guys had Bama, I played with Clinton.
Out!
Say like first inning, the probably 1-6.
Bottom of the 7th. Lead off, ground out to short for Trenant. 18-4 after trailing 3-2. EAS leading Trenant. Trenant, Utah B team. Nice run here. It's their first loss. That one's up the middle, base hit. Robinson hits at about 380. Two 3-run homer. His second 3-run homer of the game. Ooh, another well-struck ball. Could be in here though. Shortstop's got it. Bounces it across and he couldn't pick it up. Right through the wickets. Not giving up. Scores. There at EAS advances over Trenant to the winners bracket final.